Well, my bridge that I had kept adding more and more teeth to hold them in place. The cement would eventually erode away, and I would get leakage, and the anchor teeth would start to rot away. And every time that I would go to the dentist, they would add up having to add more teeth.
When Peter first came to see me, he had existing bridge that were failing. He was hopeless, you know. We've gone over the treatment plan together, and he wasn't sure which direction he wanted to go.
When I met Dr. Keogh, he was very pleasant and explained the whole procedure to me. He took a lot of time in letting me make my decisions and what I wanted to do, and just made it very easy.
So we presented to him an all-in-4 bridge worked for him. At first, he was contemplating because of the failing bridge that he had before. But after we've gone through the treatment plan, he was so happy with the final result.
After the procedure was completely finished, I was really amazed at what I was able to do with it, how they were more like my original teeth. Without a doubt, it gave me a much better quality of life because I didn't have to worry about it coming loose, you know, going out to dinner or something like that. It just, you were always worried about it. And after that was over with, I had no more worries about it coming out again, so.
It was very gratifying for me, you know, when I work on Peter, you know, the life-changing experience that he has. I'm so delighted that we are able to provide the service that he was looking for. The replacement of his failing prosthesis that he had for so many years. Now he finally has something to replace that, and he's very happy with that.
Growing up, I remember my mother having dentures and all the problems that she had, having to have them remade and problems and dropping out and glue and all these other things. And with the implants, you have absolutely no worries at all. They're in there, they're not coming out, and I just think it was a great investment.